This is the Xiaomi Yeelight LED Smart Bulb. Let's do a quick unboxing and reviews. Let's go! So inside the box we have two papers. One is warranty and the other one is the user manual. And of course, the Yeelight from Xiaomi. Actually, ang bigat niya guys. Solid. Ayan o. And I think this one is made out of aluminum. So it has the gray finish. Also, the Mi logo. And some information ng bulb na to. Alright? This smart bulb works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. So let's set this up on our device. Okay, so when setting up Yeelight Smart Bulb to our device, all we have to do is to download Mi Home from Play Store or App Store. And then on the upper right of the application, let's press Add. And there you go. So dapat nakasindi po yung ating Yeelight Smart Bulb para ma-detect niya yung mismong light dito sa ating Mi Home. And then connect it to your data or Wi-Fi. And then let's wait for seconds. Tapos pwede natin palitan yung kanyang name sa kung anong gusto natin. For me, I will put Mi Bulb. You can now control your Yeelight Smart Bulb using your smartphone. So pwede natin siyang i-turn off, turn on, then pwede natin palitan yung temperature into warm or cool tone, brightness, and even other colors like blue, red. They also have this kind of effect: sunrise, sunset, movie, birthday, date night, cozy home, romantic evening, candle flicker, and flash notification. And that's a quick unboxing and review of Xiaomi Yeelight Smart Bulb. Antayin nyo na lang guys yung full review natin dito. Alright? Nice!